Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta.
Kiharo-ini gia guthomithia Abithaa a ruhonge rwa GSU mwena wa Embakasi, President Uhuru Kenyatta ekinyia ehumbite nguo ciake ta mutongoria wa mbutu cia ugitiri guku bururi-ini. Riri riuma igongona ria kwihitithia Abithaa ngiri imwe na magana kenda ma 91 a GSU aria marikitie mathomo mao na makehokeka kwambiriria gutungatira muingi. Igongona-ini riu President ni atugire Abithaa matiganite na iheo ni tondu wa gukorwo mekite wega makiria thiini wa maundu matiganite to theru. Abithaa uyu atugwo ni undu wa gukorwo ari na wathi wa iguru makiria wa kuratha. Kuona ati thirikari ni ikiriire kurekereria Abithaa mari na uigiririki, President Uhuru Kenyatta ni oririe gikundi giki kuruta wira na uigiririki na gwithema na cieko cia ungumania onekana umaramari.
If you are unfaithful to the vow you have made today and allow yourselves to fraternize with lawlessness, we dent the confidence of Kenyans, and in consequence, our nation suffers. I therefore urge all of you to remain above reproach.
Kuringana na munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet, mutaratara mweru wa mathomo ni urikitie kurugurio mathomo maria makugacirithia motungata ma Abithaa a ugitiri kuri muingi.
These new courses, Your Excellency, include cross-culture diversity policing, which introduces our officers to the diversity of Kenyan people so that they may learn to operate with ease wherever they will be posted throughout our republic and even beyond.
During my service in the Kenya Police,
riu Abithaa aya magukorwo magitumwo icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini kuria President ameriire unyitaniri wa thirikari hari kubacirira mikarire yao o undu umwe na kumahe matharaita ma kiriu ma bara. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo, Kenyugo Mwaura.